Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lou, and in today's video we're what's in my purse video. But before we get started, make sure you hit subscribe, like, comment, also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so my current bag right now is the Marc Jacobs bag. It is a big bag and it's very heavy. So, and it has this strap. So, yeah, there's a lot that fits in here. We're going to go ahead and start with my first bag that I have in here. As you can see, it's packed. So the first big bag is the Jeffree Star makeup bag. And this bag, everything fits in it. Everything. So I have my notebook, my agenda book or whatever. I have some personal girl stuff, which I'm not going to show. Hand sanitizer. Oh, we should use it. Sanitize our hands. One of my biggest pet peeves is not having hand sanitizer, which is the worst. I have migraine medication. I have women's medication. My FENTY lip gloss that goes with me everywhere. My Fresh and Clean spray from Victoria's Secret. I also have some electronic things for my phone to connect my charger and my headphones. When I used to have the regular headphones, now I don't have the regular headphones. I have the AirPods, which we'll get to, and my chapstick. And I am the girl that carries a chapstick in every bag, everywhere. There's one in my room, there's one in here, there's one on my desk, there's one in my car. I think there's one at work, I'm not sure, but I try to keep one everywhere. So a lot of things fit in this bag. I would recommend it to buy one. And I think they're like $25, but they fit everything. I had more things in here. I had another like wallet bag, but I didn't need it. Like it was just too much to carry when I was cleaning out my purse. And yeah, this is a great bag. It comes in different colors, so this is a good bag for those of you that like to keep your stuff together in one bag. This would be great. Even your makeup, I think all of his palettes fit in here, so it's a huge bag. Also, clipped to, attached to my bag is this hand sanitizer, which I bought because, like I said, I'm a huge hand sanitizer girl. I love to sanitize my hands, and this smells too strong for me, so I don't really use it, but it works. The next thing is my wallet, my Michael Kors wallet. And excuse me if I don't know what these bags or wallets are called, because I don't keep track of that stuff. I just like it. And I like purses, but I don't have very many of them, like expensive ones. You know, I buy some from Forever 21 and stuff, but that's it. I don't really buy like brand purses. One, because I can't afford them. Two, because some of them I'm just like, those are way too much. I'm very specific with my purses. This purse I bought maybe 3 years ago, so it's in pretty good condition. You know, don't judge me for having a purse that's out of season or whatever. It works, so we're good. And then my wallet, it's this wallet. This wallet has been with me for a long time. So yeah, it actually carries things I don't even know. So I don't have anything important in here that you shouldn't see. I have my not Victoria's Secret, my Sephora card. Clearly I buy there too much. I do. And my Ulta card, which is this one if I can get it out. That's my Ulta card. I don't really go to Ulta, but to start. And then I have a few like personal items here. My insurance, and a card. But that's it, see? I don't have anything else in here. Nope, everything's empty. So that's kind of just a wallet that I carry in case, you know, I don't want to take the rest of my purse. Purse is heavy. See, it has this pocket. It has this pocket. It has this pocket. So, yeah. And then I have my AirPods. My AirPods in here. See, my AirPods. So now that I have these, that other little thing that I showed you isn't really relevant, but I do have friends that borrow it at work and stuff. So it's good to carry around. I carry all of my essentials in my purse, especially because I'm at work most of the time or like all day. I want to have everything accessible to me. So I carry a lot of things. Like I carry anything that I might need during the day, girl stuff. My journal, not my journal, my planner or anything like that I carry. Also in here I have my wristbands because I do have carpal tunnel and at times it flares and I have to wear this stuff. So I have to carry that around. And then I have my work badge, which is this one. So that's my work badge. And that's technically everything I have in here. I don't even have money, let's just say that. I don't carry cash. I hate cash. Even these, they fit in here. And it shuts, so it's a really good bag. But that's it, guys. That's all. That's everything that's in my bag. And everything fits comfortably in here, you see? Let me show you. Everything fits in here perfectly. And it shuts and you can even put it on the side, hang it from your side or anything. But that's it, you guys. That's everything that's in my purse. I do downsize when I'm going out or anything. I only take my driver's license and any sorts of payment. And you didn't see my driver's license or any debit cards in here or any credit cards or any cards that pertain to money because they are rolling around somewhere in another bag or something. Because I remember I took it out for the other day, but that's why they're not in there. But this is usually my everyday bag. And that's everything I carry in there. Sometimes, you know, once in a while I put more things in here and it gets heavier, but that's technically my essentials for an everyday work or an everyday on the go or whatever. But yeah, guys, let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you have in your purse if you want. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Alright guys, thank you so much. I love you all. Bye guys.